feel like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shell. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm the bar. Fairy tales, I'm the hills, the man. Oh, got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I want to be around. You talking more and more. I just can't get everything short. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if I'm ever on the ground, I need a hit from you. And we know all the time. I can fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hand?
Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is Nancy Vlogs, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch more of my content. So yeah, today is on Friday. Yeah, today is on Friday, 13th of September. I went to wash my hair, but I have my cape on because the sun outside didn't come out to play. So I went to wash my hair and then decided to go get some few things from Naivas. So because I was craving to eat a cucumber, so I've decided to make salad for dinner. So I went to buy some few things from Naivas for me to make the salad, and also I needed coffee. So I got these lettuce from I got this Caesar dressing for salads because I ran out of my mayonnaise, so I just wanted to try something new for dressing. I got a coffee machine. I'm going to unbox it with you guys in this this video. Like after this we are going to unbox it, so I'm so excited to have my coffee in the morning because I love coffee. I love coffee. So I took this dormants. I see like a lot of people like coffee from dormants, so I just took this little one to try out if I'm going to like it. If I'm not going to like it, then I'll go for another option. So I got these small dormants, medium grind and medium roast coffee. Yeah, so I'm so excited to start making my own coffee from my own comfort zone. I'm so happy. I also got an avocado to make together with the salad. Of course, I got that from the market. Also from the market, I got this corn. It's already boiled corn. I'm going to use it to in the salad also. I also got a cucumber, dania, lime, and a lemon, and a garlic. Yeah. So I wanted a bowl for me to stop using my plates when I'm serving my salad. I wanted a bowl to always serve my salad on. But when I was on my way to go to the aisle of the utensils, I came across this cup. This mug. I'm going to turn the camera and then show you like a closer look of it. It's so beautiful. And now I have a cute and big functional mug for my coffee, so I'll be enjoying my coffee. So I got it in this color, and of course I got it in purple. Now this is my favorite. It's the same design, but this, you'll see me using this lots of time. I just decided to get two just in case I get a guest. So yeah, this is how they're looking. They're so pretty. Now to the bowls. Actually, I was just looking for a regular bowl for me to use on my salad, but I came across these deep plates. And they were only remaining two of them. So it's in this color. Is this turquoise green, if I'm not wrong, right? Yeah. And I have come to realize that I love green in a way. So I got these two pretty deep plates. I can serve my salad here, a stew. I can serve each and every kind of meal in this plate because it's deep. I might add some weight when I start using this, but I'm going to wash it and use it like tonight. I'm going to eat my salad from these plates. They are so pretty. So pretty. So I think now I have enough plates. These are so pretty. They were only remaining two, so I got both of them. And that's everything that I got from Naivas. Now I've been having this package in this house, I don't know, maybe for a week, I think. Let me see. Oh, these are the two pillowcase covers from my Kamkunji haul. If you have not watched my latest Kamkunji haul, go and check out the haul, because that's where I got these two pillowcases. And this is rabbit fur, so soft and so soothing. So you should go and watch that video for more information. Yeah, still in that video I show you like the washing machine that I got for my clients being Airbnb. In the same shop they were selling this is a Socani steamer, this one. So I happened, like, I don't have an iron box. The one I had, I gifted my mom, so I didn't have an iron box. Oops. And I was just wanting to get a steamer, because I decided to get a steamer because with this steamer I can be able even to iron my leather pants. I have some leather pants that I don't wear a lot of time because they are so crunched. So with this I can even be able to steam from of course outside, and I'm going to steam my leather pants with this, my dresses, the dresses that are too hard to iron. This is going to come in handy. So I could also advise you, if you want to get an iron box, just go on and add, maybe it was going for 2,500 actually. So I got this, and I got this steamer, and I'm so excited to start using it like ASAP. It comes with this, just to fill the water in this tank. Let me just unbox it. Oops. Ah, that easy. So this is where you put your water, and then you put there, and then you just steam your clothes, and then go out looking so beautiful and presentable. And it also has this, I don't know the use of this, but I'm going to Google or something. Let me see. I think this should be attached somewhere here, or maybe like this. I don't know. I'm going to Google how to use this. I don't know how to use this, but I'm going to Google. Yeah, I love this. You can also use this like to, instead of ironing your curtains with this, you're just going to steam your curtains, and then they're going to look so presentable, so beautiful. I love myself for getting this purchase. Yeah, this is just to add the water and then add here, because you can't steam without the water, right? Yeah. So this is how it's looking. I'll show you like a closer look. And now to the most oh, my socks are here. I've been looking for these socks. Now to the most wonderful purchase of myself is this coffee maker. You see, I've been thinking like I've not unboxed this, so I don't know how it's looking inside, because like I told the lady, just put me an extra coffee maker and a socket and a steamer, and then just left the shop. But I'm sure they packed me the right thing. So yeah, this is it. We have the manual. You know, like it has a glass kettle, so I'm trying to be so careful. Oh my goodness, look at this coincidence. Like my kitchen utensils, like most of my kitchen, even my pots, they have this rose gold detail. Even my cooking spoon, and then just look at this rose gold detail. I'm so good. I'm so happy to see that. So this is the kettle. So it's looking, it's a, I think a 1.2 liters. No, 1.8. It's a 1.8 liters. I don't know how many servings are those. But sure, I can't wait for tomorrow for me to make coffee. So this is how it's looking. So you place this here. Come on. Yeah. So this is it. I'm so happy. I've never seen this company, by the way. It's called RAF or maybe RAF. I've not seen this company, but I love it. I love it. And now so I don't have to open this, but I should have. So in here we have the filter, the coffee filter. This is it. So you put your coffee here, and I like that it has like a plastic down here. I love this coffee maker. This is how it's looking. So you put your coffee here, then you put inside there, and the amount of water that you want here on the other side, and then close it and wait for your coffee to brew. I'm a happy girl. I am a happy girl. I am a happy girl. I am a happy girl. Oh my goodness, this is so wonderful. The rose gold detail was just a coincidence, and I love it. But the thing is, I wish they could have added the same detail right here. Yeah. By the way, I also got this from PandaMart. The day I was at PandaMart, I won't lie to you guys, this week I went to the gym just once on Monday, but I might go tomorrow. So this is how they're looking. They are a little bit bigger on me, but with this band, like with this band, when I put like this, yeah. So this is how they're looking. Just simple gloves. I think they were going for 500 or something. Yep. They look so cute, and the red, yeah, I love them. And also I was gifted this Oraimo power bank. It's 20,000 mAh. This is how it's looking. I think this is a torch, but I don't know why it's not lighting. It should light because my life needs a torch. So this is how it's looking. Mine was stolen, so I was gifted this. Now I have a power bank. I don't have to worry about like the lights going out and then I'm in the dark and my phones are not charged. Also, this Oraimo earbud phone, these ones are the thing. These are the best. I love them. This is how they're looking. Like they light up here, just tell you the percentage of the earbuds, and this is how they look. So pretty, so pretty. I'm going to put like a reel here of me unboxing this because I had to make a reel. By the way, unboxing this. They are so pretty. Just look at this. I love them, and they fit perfectly. This is the right. I love using their left side. Yeah, I can even wear them to the gym, like minding my own business, working out. Yeah, so I love them. By the way, I wanted to use my voice cancellation microphone that I got from Lindivature, and then I realized that I have not charged them, so they should be charged before you use them. So they are charging right now. Maybe next time I'll be using them and testing them out.
Gotta learn how to let someone hold you. Think times I trust you, I let you true. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're necessary. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I want to be around. You tell me more and more. You think the enemy so I crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you never wanna dress down, I need to hear from you. Give me no longer time, but now don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me.
let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing resume. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. Not trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make sense of those chains that me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arms, feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind, hold me on my feet.
Good morning, loves. So this is me trying out my voice cancellation microphone, enjoying my coffee. But the thing with this coffee, I think I need to go and get another type of coffee. This is not hitting the right spot, but my coffee maker works. My mug. Ooh. So yeah, I wanted to come here and just do some closing remark on this vlog. The sun is out, like it's out, and it's very hot. Being like that right now, it's 8. It's 8 in the morning, and the sun is already out and hot. So yeah, and I love my skin. It's coming back. My skin is coming back. By the way, also I don't know where my bonnets are, so this turban works. Yeah, don't come for me because of this turban. I know. It looks cute though. So guys, let me stop yapping. I'm just trying to yap so I can try out my microphone, because right now they are so, like, the noise outside here or around here is too much. So I want to see if it's working, and I hope that it works perfectly. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching to this point. Thank you for that like, thank you for the comment, thank you for sharing this video, and thank you for always coming back to watch my vlogs. So make sure you subscribe, and if you have been watching me and you don't remember if you have subscribed, take this moment, go back, just check if you have subscribed, and you have not, make sure you subscribe, because it's free of charge. It's really for free. So make sure you go back and check if you have already subscribed. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching my videos to the end, not skipping the ads. I really do appreciate. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I love you guys.